どっちが涼しい、下に手を置いて、どっちが涼しいと思いますかって聞いてください。
水がホタル。
Which one is hotter?
ホタル、いや。
Do you feel the heat?
I feel
Fuming coating. No
Left
heat.
side is a fuming coat, his products.
هذا مغطى هذا
اوكي
خذ قصاص عادي
لا بس في شيء
من نوعين في القصاص
だから思えばですね、同じ中国の首相が来てるんです。だから本当にいかに注目されてるかということですね。Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. It gives me great pleasure and honor to be present at the workshop on Japanese solar control coating technologies developed by Fumi Company Limited, which could contribute to the reduction of energy consumption in Qatar. Well, 2 months ago in April, I attended, together with many important Qatari figures, the first anniversary event of the 5-year-long Tarshid campaign launched by Kaharama under the patronage of His Highness Heir Apparent Sheikh Tamimi. This Tarshid aims to reduce and preserve the natural resource in this country in an efficient manner, under which they try to reduce the consumption of electricity by 20% in over 5-year period. Well, many Japanese companies have the cutting-edge technologies on energy conservation, which have been developed through our own experience, Japan's own experience of overcoming a lot of crises and difficulties in energy areas. And I hear from many Qatari officials and also visit them that they hope those technologies be introduced into Qatari market. Well, Japanese solar control coating technology, which will be presented in today's seminar, has several track records in Japan of reducing energy consumption by 20%, which is the same percentage as targeted under the Tarshid over the 5 years. The product called Fumi coating can be used not only in new buildings or houses, but also on existing ones, which makes things very easier. And it is extremely cost efficient and very easy to handle and very easy to apply. I was so impressed with this new technology yesterday when Mr. Yakesawa showed demonstration to us, and I'm sure you'll be quite surprised and you'll be impressed. Well, in Japan, small and medium-sized enterprises, SME, which occupies more than 90% of manufacturing companies, play a very important role. Actually, many Japanese technologies, including high-cutting, high-edge ones, or most advanced ones, are created and supported by those medium and small enterprises. And Fumi Company Limited is SME from Fukushima. As you know, Fukushima was one of the areas severely hit by the Great East Japan earthquake of 2011. But I have to say that it is now well on its way toward recovery. I'm convinced that the Fumi coating, this new technology, with its amazing performance, will contribute to the achievement of the objective of Tarshid in this country, also in other areas in saving energy in this country, which will be further milestone to promote further our excellent relations between Japan and Qatar. And I hope you can learn a lot from today's workshop. Thank you very much.
これは日本の TBS のニュースで3ヶ月間カメラがついたんですが、この物件、これはですね、日本の国立新美術館六本木、総工費400億円。
Oh, his impression.
Me got it.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
グッドどうぞ。こっちとこれしっかり映像を撮っててください。日本でテレビ局に売り込みます。こっちお前さんと大成さんは間違いなくこっちがミーコーティング。
It's a hit is difference. Okay, here try it. Here try it.
Oh, very good.
You can see the transparency as well.
こっちが透明ですね。
坂本、何と何が比較しているのかって伝えてあげないと。
Films and performance.
こっちから熱い写真
ああ、撮ります。OK。
いいですか。